despacio subí niveles, ando en las nubes. Una mojada y flores y dulces. Para las morras improvisamos. Y si la pienso pero se suben. Es que si soy una oveja negra, ando sin rumbo en la carretera. Traigo una cita para forjar.
Yo, what's going on, guys? We're back with a new video. Scoot a little more this way, brother. The sun's coming in. But we're back with another video, guys. Today we're starting it the day before of the stuff we're gonna do. But right now we're gonna go wash the Shelby. Hand the lining. The lining we kind of like cleaned it up a little bit, but it's still clean from the show. We're gonna wash the Shelby. We're gonna get it clean because tomorrow morning, Brian, we got somewhere special to be. We're gonna go do a photo shoot with Weld wheels. Guys, we're gonna do a photo shoot with Weld wheels. First, they invited us because of the Shelby. I guess is their new wheel that's coming out. But we also told them we had this crazy looking truck. Yeah, guys. So we told they first invited us because of the Shelby, and then we told them, you know what, we have this crazy truck with this crazy setup with wheels, and they're like, you know what, bring it along too. We'll take pictures of it too. Sadly, guys, I didn't have a front banner for the Shelby. We're gonna have to rock some plates in the back, the fine line plates, and you could shop at finelinetheperformance.net, buy your own. You could buy this shirt we got right here. But yeah, enough yip yap. Look at the welds we got on. These are the new welds that are coming out. By Weld. These are not the last wheels we're gonna put on the Shelby, but these are temporary for now. Check them out. So yeah, we gotta go wash it, get it ready for the photo shoot tomorrow. Pretty excited. It's probably like a 40-minute drive. We're gonna see. It's gonna be early too. It's gonna be like a. ¿Tienes que despertar? Descansa ahorita.
Ahorita.
Yeah, we gotta be there like at 7 a.m. And then yeah, gotta wake up early. Oh wow, part of this. It's part of this journey. But yeah. She got fucking ripped off the wall. Alright guys, so oh shit. We just pulled up to wash her real quick.
What the fuck? ¿De qué calibre es esta?
50. Gotta get the welds right. No acid, no nothing, just water.
Oh fuck.
So, I think it's pretty much wrapped up. We're not putting tire shine until tomorrow, just so it don't splatter. This is as best as we could do for our last minute wash. I don't think we could have done better. It's alright, huh?
I'm sorry. Right there. What?
One of us.
No.
Alright guys. Good morning, good morning. No? 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 Oh. Shows your shirt. Modern day. Stop. No? Oh, bad, bro.
Look.
Sheesh.
You could win the Jeep.
You could. But you won't know if you don't try, huh? You have to buy something.
You can't win if you don't get entered.
Yep. So guys, look. We have to be at the spot at... Damn, my fucking hand's shaky. We have to be at the spot at 8. I mean 8, what the fuck? 7. We're gonna get there at 7:07. Let's see if we cut some time. We're still gonna go the speed limit though, so don't worry. We have the lining in the back. I think that shit needs gas, but we'll make it. Alright, let's go. Alright then. Oh mames.
Where are we, bro?
I think we're in Misty.
Fucking broski.
Broski, where'd you bring us? Where'd you bring us? Métete. You sure? Over there?
Yeah. Yes, hold on.
God damn, man.
Those little roads that you're looking at are trails, fool. All the streets over here, up here, have dead ends. Are you good, brother? Guys, we just pulled up to the spot, but I guess the pin is up there, but we don't know. No one's here yet.
TRX, new 2025 TRX.
Alright guys, so we got like a couple pictures here at the bottom of where we're supposed to be. We're supposed to be around up there, but it's still closed. Jeez, look. It's still closed, and I guess we're just gonna go to a different spot. You have to follow him. He's a good 5 minutes away. So let's see where it's at. And then plus this place is a little too crowded. God damn. That just sounds sick. The spot, yeah. We'll get there now. There's a clean ass one, Ali. Smells like 85 too. Shows the shirt better.
They need to
Model
take
it.
pictures of me.
Sheesh.
Email?
You sent it or?
Yeah.
What'd you get? A good video on the way over here?
Yeah.
Nothing new, huh? Guys, look at the Shelby. Look how it looks in its natural habitat. This guy got all the camera. Been here for like an hour. No, 30 minutes maybe. We were at the, like I said, we were at a spot higher up that you can see higher up, but that shit was closed. Huh. And they weren't open.
And it was busy as fuck.
That shit was, huh? Oh, at the bottom.
That shit's
In the parking lot. Huh?
Where the fuck did we get a rock from?
I don't know, bro. I don't know,
Hey,
bro.
we should have came to get rocks here for the show.
Huh.
Mira. Yeah, fuck it. That stupid ass idea.
Alright guys, rollers are up next.
Section
Yeah,
round.
section. Clean as come out. Cameraman popped out. Oh, this is full carbon?
Yeah.
Yeah,
It's just
color
wrapped.
matched. Oh, yeah, color
Yeah,
matched.
it's wrapped. The doors too.
They're carbon?
Yeah.
Oh,
doors
sick.
and the hood.
Is this dry carbon or? Oh no, it's just wrapped as well, huh?
Yeah.
The hood? The hood is wrapped
The hood is wrapped.
to match the one that lead look, huh? Because most of them are.
Trying to keep the one in little.
Yeah. Were you scared the first time running this? Dropping your camera?
Yeah, it was sketchy.
Have you ever
Yeah.
dropped it?
Oh no.
Oh.
Never dropped it yet. Hopefully never.
No. Up here to our right.
Okay.
You're gonna make a right. This shit got too many gears. Nah, I can do it. Some pulls for the exhaust?
Yeah, some exhaust.
So right now, we just put the mic in the engine bay for some supercharger sounds. So let's hit some flybys.
I'll follow you. Alright.
So we put the mic back in the engine bay because I guess he didn't get the pulls with the supercharger, like with the mic inside the engine bay. For watching this video. We are finishing up editing the video right now, but we forgot to do an outro yesterday. Here we are doing it. Also, another thing we want to add is we are doing this Jeep SRT8 giveaway. If you guys don't know, so anything off our website will get you entries for this giveaway, but we do have a special bundle going on. The shirt, a lanyard, and a sticker that will come in the bundle, and 25 times entries in that bundle too. So yeah guys, if you guys want to win an SRT8, please go to our website, cop some merch, or if you guys just want to rock some merch, go buy some, and you guys will get entered for the giveaway. We also have hats, lanyards, everything on our website. Go check it out. Thank you guys for watching and supporting.